Hello my friends and welcome back to the You Can Do TV channel. The production of Obori Somayaki, a traditional Japanese pottery with more than 400 years of history, reflects both artistry and functionality. At the kiln, it begins with shaping the clay, where artisans skillfully form teacups, bowls, and sake vessels using the potter's wheel. Each piece is carefully balanced to preserve the distinctive lightness and refinement of Soma ware. Once shaped, the decoration process begins. Craftsmen refine the clay bodies by trimming and smoothing, preparing the surface for its characteristic embellishments. A signature feature of Somayaki is the horse motif, hand-drawn in flowing brushstrokes. Horses symbolize vitality and freedom, and this design has become the pottery's timeless hallmark. After decoration, the pieces undergo glazing. The glaze not only enhances the beauty of the ware, but also provides a unique functional advantage. It helps retain the heat of beverages, while keeping the vessel's surface comfortable to the touch. This practical aspect has contributed to Somayaki's lasting popularity. The pottery is then fired in traditional kilns, where careful temperature control produces a strong and durable finish. Following firing, a final step of ink rubbing highlights the delicate lines and motifs, deepening their expression and emphasizing the traditional craftsmanship. Obori Somayaki, showcased at Aoyama Square, continues to embody the harmony of utility, beauty, and cultural heritage. The production of Bizen ware, one of Japan's oldest and most revered ceramic traditions, is a meticulous process that combines raw natural beauty with skilled craftsmanship. The journey begins with clay preparation, using iron-rich soil sourced from the local Okayama region. Artisans hand-shape each vessel, employing techniques such as coiling, wheel throwing, or slab molding to create traditional tea bowls, sake bottles, and vases. Once the form is complete, surface patterns are applied. These decorations are not painted, but achieved through techniques such as pressing natural materials, wrapping with rice straw, or leaving deliberate marks that interact with the firing process. Each design is unique, reflecting the intimate connection between nature, fire, and clay. The pieces are then placed carefully into a wood-fired kiln. Firing is carried out continuously for up to 10 days, with craftsmen monitoring and adjusting the flames around the clock. Timing is crucial, temperature changes, and the positioning of each piece determine the final surface effects. After cooling, each item is inspected, polished, and cleaned by hand, revealing the subtle natural colors, textures, and glassy surfaces that define authentic Bizen ware. Have you ever wondered how a traditional Tokoname teapot is made? In Japan, these teapots are considered a symbol of refined craftsmanship, blending artistry with precise functionality. Each piece begins with carefully prepared clay, shaped on the potter's wheel into the rounded body. This is the foundation, smooth and balanced, designed to hold heat and enhance the flavor of tea. Once the body is formed, the artisan moves to the lid. Precision here is crucial. The lid must fit perfectly, ensuring a tight seal that controls aroma and temperature. Next comes the handle, shaped separately and later attached with seamless integration. In Tokoname tradition, side handles are common, allowing effortless pouring with just a twist of the wrist. The spout is perhaps the most delicate step. First, the craftsman opens tiny holes inside the body, where the spout and built-in strainer will be fixed. This ensures that tea flows smoothly, while leaves stay inside. Then the spout itself is attached, carefully aligned to guarantee a perfect pour without drips. Finally, all components, the body, lid, handle, and spout, come together, transforming simple clay into a teapot that embodies centuries of Japanese culture. After drying and firing at high temperatures, the Tokoname teapot reveals its rich color and durability, ready to serve tea with elegance. Every detail reflects the artisan's dedication, precision, and deep respect for tradition. That is why Tokoname teapots are not just utensils, but living works of art that make every cup of tea a cultural experience. Alianza Ceramica, based in Porto Ferreira, Brazil, specializes in advanced ceramic manufacturing with a strong focus on technical precision. The company pioneered the use of vertical hydraulic press technology in Brazil, a system that ensures superior uniformity in thickness, weight, and density of each ceramic piece. Unlike conventional processes, Alianza formulates its own ceramic mass, optimizing raw material composition to achieve maximum durability, strength, and performance. The production cycle integrates high-pressure molding, controlled firing, and rigorous quality monitoring, resulting in tableware with consistent technical excellence. Over 200 skilled professionals operate modern equipment, combining strict process control with years of expertise. Sustainability is also embedded in the manufacturing system, with advanced technologies for resource recovery and reduced environmental impact. By merging high-end technology, material science, and skilled craftsmanship, Alianza Ceramica delivers products that set benchmarks in resistance, precision, and reliability, meeting the stringent demands of both national and international markets. The production of a Japanese Tetsubin, or cast-iron kettle, follows a traditional handcrafted process passed down for centuries, combining precision engineering with artistic symbolism. The journey begins with model making, where skilled artisans sculpt the base form and attach fine decorative details by hand. Small details are carefully assembled and fitted to the body by hand by artisans. This ensures that each kettle begins as a unique creation. The first process, coating, involves preparing the mold with a protective layer of clay and sand to prevent sticking and ensure smooth casting. In the second process, molding, molten iron heated to extreme temperatures is carefully poured into the mold, filling every contour with absolute precision. After cooling, the mold is broken away, revealing the raw iron structure. Next comes the third process, inlaying, where intricate surface patterns and symbolic motifs are embedded directly into the iron body. These designs not only enhance the kettle's beauty, but also strengthen its cultural significance. The fourth process, firing, subjects the kettle to controlled high heat, increasing its durability and stabilizing the structure. The fifth process, handle making, requires forging a strong yet graceful arch of iron, attached securely for balance and usability. In the sixth process, lathe the lid, craftsmen use turning tools to carve a perfectly fitted lid, ensuring both precision sealing and elegant proportion. The seventh process, final adjustments, involves careful hand finishing, from smoothing surfaces to correcting alignment. Even the smallest details are refined to achieve technical perfection. Finally, the eighth process brings together the body, lid, and handle, completing the kettle as both a functional vessel and an enduring work of art. Symbolic motifs further enrich its meaning. The Phoenix wide-mouth kettle embodies good fortune, love, and peace, believed to bless those who live with compassion and success. The grape kettle represents abundance, prosperity, and fertility, symbolizing fruitful generations to come. Through meticulous stages of molding, firing, forging, and finishing, each Tetsubin emerges as a masterpiece, an object where engineering discipline meets cultural tradition, admired worldwide for both durability and timeless beauty. Porcelain stands apart from ordinary ceramics because of the technical mastery and artistry required in its creation. The process begins with kaolin-rich clay, which is rare and prized for producing porcelain's bright white color, translucency, and exceptional durability. To refine its properties, artisans blend it with quartz, feldspar, and ball clay, materials that influence malleability, strength, and glass-like finish after firing. In Japan, the Arita Porcelain Lab has been a center of porcelain making for over 200 years. Here, each piece is carefully crafted through a division of labor, where artisans specialize in sculpting, glazing, or painting. Complex shapes are often produced using molds to ensure precision, while glazing provides both a protective seal and an artistic surface. Many designs are painted entirely by hand, transforming functional objects into works of art. Firing is one of the most demanding steps. Porcelain is heated up to 1,300 degrees Celsius in multiple stages: a first low-temperature firing, a main high-temperature firing, and a final refinement stage. This ensures strength while preserving delicate details. The result is durable, non-porous dinnerware and decorative pieces of lasting beauty. Prices vary widely, from affordable bowls to exquisite platters costing thousands, each reflecting heritage, innovation, and craftsmanship. At the old pottery factory in Jingdezhen, porcelain production follows a blend of precision engineering and traditional artistry. Clay is processed into refined slip, then shaped using plaster molds and jigger-jolly machinery, eliminating the need for bisque firing. Surface decoration includes the rice burn technique, where holes are carved and filled with glaze before firing, producing intricate translucent patterns. Glazing methods are equally inventive. Interiors are coated using pressure-based tools, while exteriors are leveled with suction devices for uniform coverage. Finally, pieces are fired in traditional kilns, where careful temperature control ensures stable structure, vibrant glaze finishes, and the enduring quality Jingdezhen ceramics are renowned for. At the Bat Trang pottery workshop, skilled artisans shape clay with traditional wheels, apply intricate hand-carved patterns, and finish with natural glazes. Each piece undergoes high-temperature kiln firing, ensuring durability, vibrant colors, and timeless beauty that reflects centuries of Vietnamese ceramic craftsmanship. In Jingdezhen, China's famed porcelain capital, the creation of giant ceramic jars unfolds like a well-choreographed art form. These monumental vessels, often used to decorate grand estates and public spaces, are crafted in sections. Skilled potters throw each segment on the wheel, sometimes working in pairs, before meticulously trimming and joining them while still leather-hard. A master places a heavy base disc to stabilize the towering structure, carefully assembling multiple parts into one form. Once joined, the trimmed pot moves to a dedicated decorator, who applies intricate designs using traditional slip or paper transfers. Craftsmen carve intricate designs into the surface or openwork, or draw pictures or art. Using precise tools, patterns are printed directly onto the damp clay body, creating detailed merging sculptural texture with artistic depth. A final coat of glaze is sprayed, giving the piece its smooth finish. Then, it's fired in towering kilns, transforming clay into resilient porcelain. This blend of teamwork, precision, and tradition keeps Jingdezhen's big pot artistry both monumental and alive. To create familiar ceramic products, such as piggy banks or water bottles decorated with patterns, Each Ohio product is a work of art, crafted by the skilled hands of artisans and advanced production techniques. High-quality green clay is meticulously selected, expertly kneaded, and shaped with finesse on the potter's wheel, embodying the rich cultural essence of Vietnam. The forming stage, which is the most important step, is now supported by hydraulic presses, high-pressure molds, or pouring lines. The lean method eliminates redundant operations, while TPM ensures stable operation of the equipment, limiting downtime. As a result, each ceramic product maintains precision in size and thickness. Fired at temperatures exceeding, Ohio ceramics ensure exceptional durability and safety for everyday use. From teapot plates to intricately designed rice bowls and refined tea sets, Ohio caters to every need, gracing family dining tables and upscale five-star restaurants alike. Each piece, adorned with traditional motifs like dragons, phoenixes, or folk patterns, tells a story of Vietnam's heritage, blending timeless tradition with contemporary flair. Ohio is more than ceramics. It's a celebration of Vietnam's cultural legacy, crafted to endure and inspire. With pride in its roots, Ohio continues to carry the story of Vietnamese ceramics to new horizons, timeless and ever-evolving. On the Hauda jiggering line with a single forming head, precision and efficiency define the process. A prepared clay body is placed onto a rotating plaster mold, while the forming head shapes it into the desired ceramic profile. This automated motion ensures consistent thickness, smooth surfaces, and repeatable accuracy across every piece. The single head system is ideal for tableware and functional ceramics, combining mechanical stability with controlled speed. The result is a streamlined production flow, delivering uniform, high-quality ceramic products with reduced waste. Mandala Limited's glazing highlights nature-inspired mandala patterns. Each piece reveals unique modeled shades, colors, and expressions, ensuring no two designs are ever identical in their artistic finish. Shandong Reihung Ceramics specializes in high-quality mug customization, offering photo printing, pattern design, and logo imprinting. Using advanced sublimation technology, strong production capacity, and reliable supply chains, it delivers unique designs, manages bulk orders efficiently, and ensures secure global delivery. Luís Salvador Ceramics Portugal applies strict technical processes in ceramic manufacturing. Production begins with raw clay and minerals, mixed with water in mills to create slip. This mixture is rusted in tanks, then poured into plaster molds, where it solidifies and takes shape. After demolding, pieces undergo controlled drying, precise trimming, detail attachment, and technical finishing. The first firing, carried out in kilns at temperatures up to 1050 degrees C, transforms the material into biscuit, durable, and ready for subsequent stages. Each item is then hand-painted with carefully developed pigments before being coated with opaque, colored, or transparent glaze. A second high-temperature firing vitrifies the surface, bringing durability, brilliance, and the unmistakable shine of Luís Salvador Ceramics. Ports Bremix. Narumi ensures consistent bone china quality through advanced processes in Japan and Indonesia. Raw materials including bone ash, clay, feldspar, and silica are blended, filtered, and de-aired to remove bubbles. Automated jiggering forms standard shapes, while slip casting enables complex hollowware using moisture-absorbing plaster molds. During bisque firing, items shrink nearly 20%, demanding strict dimensional control. A uniform glaze is evenly applied, creating the glossy finish characteristic of bone china. Each piece undergoes detailed inspection to eliminate imperfections. Finally, decals and metallic decorations such as gold or platinum are hand-applied with precision. Combining automation with craftsmanship, Narumi delivers bone china praised worldwide for durability, dimensional accuracy, and refined beauty. The Aurora series by Kihara draws inspiration from the enchanting beauty of natural auroras. Using finely crafted digital transfer papers, each piece is meticulously applied by hand. Skilled artisans, with years of experience, bring their expertise to every step, creating mug that captures both tradition and modern artistry. At Kihara, the art of clay preparation is the foundation of porcelain making. Raw materials are carefully selected, blended, and refined to achieve the ideal texture and purity. This meticulous process ensures strength, whiteness, and consistency, providing the perfect base for shaping and crafting fine Japanese porcelain pieces. The production of ceramic cups and plates follows a precise and carefully engineered process. Selected clays are blended with feldspar and quartz, creating a refined ceramic body. This material is shaped using jiggering for plates or slip casting for cups, ensuring uniformity in form and thickness. Once shaped, each piece undergoes controlled drying, eliminating excess moisture while preventing deformation. The dried ceramics are then bisque-fired at high temperatures, achieving strength and stability. A smooth glaze is expertly applied to enhance both durability and aesthetics. Finally, the glaze firing vitrifies the surface, producing elegant ceramic ware that combines functionality with timeless beauty. A long-time kotaniyaki artisan begins by carefully grinding the ink until it reaches the perfect consistency. Using a soft brush, he gently dips into the pigment and skillfully paints traditional patterns onto the ceramic surface. Each stroke is graceful, precise, and filled with artistry, creating timeless beauty that defines the elegance and uniqueness of Japanese porcelain. Sublimation coating creates a specialized polymer surface on ceramics, metal, or glass, enabling vibrant, high-resolution image transfers. After sublimation coating, the item is placed under curing lamps, where controlled heat and UV light harden the polymer layer. This layer ensures durability, scratch resistance, and color stability. At Maruhansei Tosho, each piece of ceramic begins with carefully refined clay, shaped by skilled hands or precision machinery. Patterns are delicately applied, followed by an even glaze. Through high-temperature firing, the material gains both strength and timeless beauty. Maruhan continues Japan's ceramic tradition with dedication, precision, and exceptional craftsmanship. In the kitchen, life feels cleaner and more organized with these round glass storage containers. Simply open the lid, place in fresh lemon slices, add prepared passion fruit, and seal it tight. Practical, stylish, and versatile. Perfect for keeping ingredients fresh and your kitchen beautifully tidy. Inside the automated production workshop, efficiency runs at full speed. Every day, the system produces 150,000 amber glass beer bottles with precision and consistency. From raw material melting to molding, cooling, and inspection, each step is seamlessly integrated. The result: durable, high-quality bottles ready to serve breweries worldwide. As a leading China glass jar supplier, the company provides durable and versatile packaging solutions designed for food, beverage, and cosmetic industries. High-quality raw materials and advanced manufacturing ensure clarity, strength, and consistency. Available in multiple sizes, shapes, and closure options, these jars offer both practicality and aesthetic appeal, meeting international standards and supporting sustainable, eco-friendly packaging needs for businesses worldwide. The dual-shaft glass bottle crusher machine offers an advanced recycling solution with its two interlocking shafts fitted with durable blades for consistent and powerful crushing. The system ensures uniform glass fragments, optimizing material recovery and reuse across multiple industries. Designed for reliability and precision, the crusher enhances recycling efficiency by reducing bottles to manageable sizes. Its streamlined performance not only supports operational productivity, but also plays a vital role in advancing sustainable waste management practices. The glass sorting plant represents a fully automated system designed to optimize recycling efficiency and material recovery. Incoming waste glass, delivered via wheel loaders, is fed into hoppers and transferred through discharge feeders onto conveyor systems. The process begins with separation of ferromagnetic impurities, followed by primary screening to remove oversized fractions. These larger materials are pre-sorted, cleared of contaminants, and crushed to obtain a uniform particle size. The combined material then undergoes a drying phase, typically with rotary drum dryers, ensuring clean, dry cullet for further processing. Magnetic and eddy current separators extract ferrous and non-ferrous metals, while optical sorting technologies remove plastics, ceramics, stones, and heavy metal-contaminated glass. Advanced red wave systems, including NIR, XRF, and color cameras, guarantee up to 99% purity. Final quality checks, coupled with smart plant software, ensure consistent monitoring and optimization, producing high-grade cullet ready for glass container manufacturing. The Red Wave glass sorting plant in Germany represents one of the most advanced facilities in the world for glass recycling. Using intelligent sensor-based technology, the plant efficiently separates glass by color and removes impurities such as ceramics, metals, plastics, heat-resistant glass, and leaded glass. This precision sorting significantly enhances the quality of recycled glass, reduces waste, and saves energy. A key component of the plant is the Red Wave CX sorting machine, which uses camera-based optical detection with transmitted light to identify colors and eliminate contaminants. Its modular design allows the integration of additional sensors, including metal detectors and near-infrared sensors, optimizing performance while minimizing operational costs. The plant collaborates with major German glass producers like Vegan Glasschuttenwerk, GmbH, and Reeling, supplying high-quality recycled glass that meets strict industry standards. Through continuous innovation and automation, Red Wave ensures that glass recycling is both efficient and environmentally sustainable, offering a reliable solution for modern glass production needs. Glass bottles have an extraordinary life cycle. At Wholesale, 80% of each new bottle comes from cullet, recycled glass. Collected from households and recycling stations, bottles are separated, color sorted by lasers, and crushed into small fragments. Heated above 1500 degrees Celsius, with key raw materials, the molten glass is formed into new bottles and jars. This process saves energy, reduces carbon dioxide emissions, minimizes landfill, and proves why glass is a 100% eco-friendly, endlessly recyclable packaging solution. The glass insulator forming process employs high-quality, non-conductive glass resistant to moisture, UV, and pollution. Flame-forming techniques shape each unit, ensuring optimal mechanical strength, reliable insulation, and effective prevention of leakage and flashover in demanding electrical environments. Semi-automatic glass blowing for bottles combines skilled craftsmanship with modern technology. Molten glass is gathered on a blowpipe and shaped using molds and controlled air pressure. Operators guide the process, ensuring uniform thickness, precise neck formation, and consistent volume. This method increases production efficiency while maintaining the traditional quality and clarity of hand-blown glass bottles. The production of high borosilicate glass teapots begins with carefully measured raw materials melted at extreme temperatures. Molten glass is shaped into a teapot using molds and skilled blowing techniques. Handles and lids are precisely attached, followed by annealing to relieve internal stress. Each piece is inspected for clarity, uniformity, and durability, resulting in a heat-resistant, elegant teapot. The machine production of glass bottles at a wholesaler's facility demonstrates a high-efficiency automated process designed for large-scale output. Molten glass is fed into precision-engineered molds that define the shape, size, and volume of each bottle. Automated machinery ensures consistent filling of the molds, with exact timing and temperature control to produce uniform bottles. After forming, bottles pass through annealing ovens to relieve internal stresses, ensuring durability and strength. Quality control systems inspect each bottle for defects, including cracks, bubbles, or uneven thickness. This combination of advanced molding, automated handling, and rigorous inspection guarantees that the wholesaler delivers high-quality glass bottles suitable for beverages, cosmetics, or other commercial uses. The glass cosmetic bottle production process begins with precision mold design, followed by automated forming on 3 advanced lines. Bottles are then annealed for strength, inspected for quality, and transferred to 10 manual packaging lines. Each stage is managed under a rigorous quality system ensuring consistency and reliability. Glass storage jars with cork lids are crafted through high-temperature glass blowing, ensuring clarity and durability. Skilled artisans cut and shape the glass for smooth, rounded mouths, while hand-bonded curves add elegance, combining practical storage with warmth and aesthetic appeal. The H28 machine is a rotary press and blow glass forming system where molten glass gobs are guided into blank molds and shaped by plungers into partisans. Following extension and rotation, blow molds encase the partisans and generate the final hollow ware. The sequential mechanism enables high-volume, consistent production of glassware. The High 5 glass recycling plant in Antwerp, Belgium, developed in partnership with Sibylco, showcases cutting-edge technology for sustainable glass recycling. Unlike conventional systems, this facility handles mixed waste streams without pre-separation at curbside or recovery plants. At full capacity, it processes around 250,000 tons of glass each year. Incoming materials first undergo separation, where metals, plastics, paper, and cardboard are removed for independent recycling. Glass fractions are then refined and screened by particle size and purity, ensuring reliable quality. Advanced optical sorting systems equipped with color cameras and precision sensors classify glass into 4 distinct streams: flint, amber, green, and mixed. This closed-loop operation produces high-grade cullet, continuously reintroduced into new glass manufacturing. By reducing collection costs, improving operational efficiency, and maximizing material recovery, the Antwerp facility demonstrates a scalable solution that supports long-term circular economy practices. Have you ever wondered what happens to the glass bottle you toss into the recycling bin? At Strategic Materials, the largest glass recycler in the US, millions of bottles begin a brand new life. Collected from breweries, wineries, curbside bins, and waste facilities, the glass arrives as a colorful mix of green, brown, and clear shards. Powerful magnets, air classifiers, and dryers strip away metals, plastics, and paper, leaving clean fragments ready for the next stage. Optical sorters then detect and remove ceramics or stones, while advanced sensors separate glass into precise colors. The result is pure cullet, furnace-ready, endlessly recyclable, and essential for creating new bottles with less energy and fewer emissions. LEKARO operates the most advanced waste sorting plant in Poland, combining family-owned tradition with cutting-edge technology. Each year, the company collects and processes MSW, selective collection, glass, and bulky waste, delivering complete services to municipalities. On 80 to 350 mm fractions, 6 Pellenc ST machines recover PET, HDPE, paper, and cardboard while preparing high-grade RDF for cement kilns. The 0 to 80 mm fraction undergoes organic stabilization. With continuous innovation, LEKARO achieves the highest material recovery levels, supplying recyclables to industry and reinforcing a sustainable circular economy. At Glashoot Lambert's, hand-blown flat glass carries a soul, crafted not by machines, but through human mastery. At the first stage, the glassmaker gathering molten glass on a blowpipe, shaping it with wooden molds that must be cooled constantly with water to withstand the heat. In a precise choreography, the craftsman inflates the glowing mass into a balloon, supported by skilled assistants who guide the form into a perfect cylinder. Once shaped, the cylinder is cut lengthwise, reheated and carefully stretched until it unfolds into a flawless flat glass sheet. Made from sand and lime melted at around 1400 degrees Celsius, the glass can be transformed into countless colors through metallic oxides. This traditional technique allows Lamberts to produce over 5,000 unique shades, each reflecting both craftsmanship and artistry. As one master described, working with colored glass is like painting with light. Every pane embodies luminosity, fascination, and uniqueness that only handcraft can achieve. What if the very plastics once thought impossible to recycle could actually power their own transformation? Viridor establishes one of the UK's most technically sophisticated recycling hubs. At Avonmouth, a £252 million energy recovery facility generates stable low-carbon electricity from non-recyclable waste. This energy directly powers an adjacent, world-class plastics reprocessing plant operating 24/7. The facility employs automated sorting, intensive washing, and precision extrusion technologies to produce high-quality recyclates. More than 60,000 tons of plastic are returned annually to the economy, reducing reliance on virgin polymers. This closed-loop, energy-efficient system demonstrates how technical innovation drives large-scale resource recovery and supports the UK's circular economy targets. The Pilkington float glass process is a highly advanced and continuous method that has transformed flat glass production since the 1960s. Operating 24/7 for over 15 years, a single line can produce several hundred tons of glass daily. Raw materials, mainly sand, lime, dolomite, soda, and sulfate, are precisely blended with cullet, which accelerates melting and reduces energy consumption. In the furnace, the batch is heated to 1500 degrees Celsius, undergoing melting, refining, and homogenizing under strict control to ensure clarity and bubble-free consistency. The molten glass then flows onto a tin bath, spreading evenly and forming perfectly flat parallel surfaces. By adjusting top rollers, different thicknesses are achieved. A controlled hydrogen-nitrogen atmosphere prevents oxidation, and coatings such as low E or pyrolytic layers can be applied on line. Finally, glass is annealed, cut, and prepared for applications across architecture, automotive, solar energy, and advanced electronics, underscoring its versatility and enduring global significance. Glass recycling is an advanced process that transforms waste into new glass bottles. After collection, the glass is sorted by color and purity, then washed to remove labels, metals, and other impurities. High-capacity crushers break it down into cullet, the most efficient raw material for remelting. When mixed with sand, soda, and limestone, the cullet is melted at over 400 degrees Celsius in modern furnaces. The molten glass is then formed into new bottles through precision molding machines. This cycle can be repeated endlessly without loss of quality, ensuring true circular sustainability. Every glass bottle has the potential to be reborn. Waste glass, once discarded, becomes the perfect raw material for endless recycling. First, the fragments are sorted by color, because only clear cullet can create a crystal-clear bottle. Then comes the fascinating high-tech stage. Magnets, gravity systems, lasers, and cameras, working together to remove metals, plastics, ceramics, and even heat-resistant glass. Stored outdoors, the cullet naturally sheds organic residues before entering the furnace. The result is ultra-clean raw material that saves natural resources, cuts energy use, and lowers carbon dioxide emissions, turning yesterday's waste into tomorrow's bottles, windows, or even perfume flacons. Window glass production follows a precise sequence. In the batch house, raw materials and recycled cullet are mixed, then melted in a high-temperature furnace. The molten glass flows onto the tin bath, forming a flat ribbon. Passing through the annealing layer, it cools gradually to remove stress, before reaching the cold end for cutting and inspection, and finally the packing station for delivery. Witness the incredible strength of bullet-resistant glass in slow motion. High-performance laminated layers absorb and disperse the energy of a projectile, preventing penetration. Each shot demonstrates how multiple glass and polycarbonate layers work together to maintain integrity. This advanced engineering ensures safety in vehicles, buildings, and secure facilities, showcasing the precision, resilience, and innovation behind modern protective glass technology. At a leading China glass cup manufacturer, the applique process transforms plain glass into elegant drinkware. Skilled automation and precise craftsmanship ensure each design adheres seamlessly to the surface. The result is durable, stylish glass cups that combine functionality with artistry, ready to enhance daily use in premium markets. Cardinal Glass Industries is recognized for its advanced coated glass technologies designed to maximize energy efficiency and performance. Low-E coatings are created by layering metallic particles such as silver, titanium, and zinc onto raw glass in optically transparent films. These coatings are then integrated into insulating glass units, where multiple panes work together to deliver superior thermal control. Depending on climate needs, customers can select from single, double, or triple-layer coatings, including specialized interior and exterior options for added comfort and ease of cleaning. Operations commence with raw glass arriving at production sites, where each sheet is meticulously washed using deionized water and dried with high-pressure air. Once cleaned, the glass enters a long vacuum coating line, passing through successive chambers until conditions allow plasma formation. In this environment, magnetron sputtering applies ultra-thin layers of material with unmatched precision, creating coatings no thicker than a fraction of a human hair. The Erdmann high-speed parallel process Dura IG line is an advanced insulating glass production system engineered for maximum efficiency and precision. Designed to streamline fabrication, this automated line allows multiple stages of IG unit assembly to occur simultaneously, drastically reducing cycle times while ensuring consistent quality. The system integrates high-speed conveyors, precision glass positioning, and parallel processing technology, enabling operators to achieve continuous flow manufacturing. Each station is optimized for accuracy, from glass loading and edge preparation to spacer application, sealing, and final inspection. A key feature of the Dura IG line is its robust control system, which coordinates every phase with exact synchronization, guaranteeing repeatable results and minimizing handling errors. The high-speed process not only increases throughput, but also reduces labor requirements, allowing manufacturers to meet large-scale demand efficiently. Engineered for durability and long-term performance, the Erdmann Dura IG line provides glass fabricators with a reliable, scalable solution that combines speed, accuracy, and reduced production costs in one streamlined system. The Glass Crusher Machine ILY09 is a compact, space-saving solution designed to crush glass bottles directly into 140L, 220L, or 240L bins. With a compaction ratio of 5:1, it reduces waste volume, lowers disposal costs, and minimizes collection frequency. Its fully enclosed, safety-locked chamber ensures secure operation, making it ideal for hotels, bars, restaurants, nightclubs, and recycling centers. Eco-friendly, efficient, and easy to use, the ILY09 keeps workspaces clean while supporting sustainable waste management. The glass department at Perfect Crystal Windows Limited operates with advanced fabrication systems to deliver precision-engineered glass solutions. Utilizing automated cutting, tempering, and coating technologies, it ensures high durability, thermal efficiency, and compliance with stringent industry standards for both residential and commercial glazing applications. Olympia Auto Glass demonstrates advanced technical expertise in the automotive glazing sector through a fully integrated production process. Raw materials are carefully processed and combined with cullet to optimize melting efficiency, while precision furnaces operate at controlled high temperatures to ensure glass uniformity. The forming stage utilizes automated systems to produce flat and curved glass tailored to automotive requirements, with dimensional accuracy maintained by digital monitoring. Further processes include tempering, lamination, and coating, which enhance safety, acoustic insulation, solar control, and overall durability. Strict optical inspections, mechanical stress tests, and quality verification are conducted using advanced laser and camera systems. Recycling and energy-efficient technologies are applied to reduce emissions and waste, supporting sustainable operations. With continuous investment in R&D and technical innovation, Olympia Auto Glass delivers high-performance products that meet global automotive standards and the demanding requirements of modern vehicle manufacturers.